Hey guys, it's Jordan with WTI. So we were looking for a little bit of motion, activity in our life, but sometimes you can't be outside. Sometimes my daughter just needs to get those wiggles out. We were so excited. We got the Newan. It's a 48-inch trampoline. Now the trampoline itself I think is around 41 inches, but it's a big, this trampoline's nice. This is the handlebar. It's adjustable. I liked it because of safety, balance, easy to change the height. So if you have someone taller or shorter, but let me show you. You don't hear it. Most of them have springs and it's really loud and annoying. These are bungee cords, so it's so much quieter. This is the fluorescent green. It has other colors as well. But we wanted something if you want to lose weight or just to get your fidgets and wiggles out. This is perfect. It is so nice. Now, as far as assembly, read the directions. My husband had to do it a couple times before he got it because he was trying to do it without reading the directions. But once you get the hang of it, you get it put together, you are good to go. So when you're ready to jump on board, look at the Newan 48-inch trampoline with the adjustable handlebar, and that's my point of view.